Hi, I'm Tony Stefani with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm. Today we're going to do some, we're going to pick up rocks out in the field because obviously you hit those with the mower, and where we planted this year it's pretty rocky, got some nice big rocks that we don't want to damage our mowers. And we're going to put them somewhere, so we're going to make a little makeshift rat wall right along here. We got some nice groundhogs trying to dig underneath. This barn in here is all dirt, so we're going to spend some time digging a little rat wall to put the rocks right here. Got the whole got 3 of the 4 kids here today, so we're gonna make quick work of this. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So why don't we follow along and have some fun.
Okay. Oh, wow, that's a sorry, man.
All right, next step we're gonna go out to the field, get the wheelbarrow, get some buckets, and we're gonna get some stones to fill up our holes here. All right, so this is the only field that we are really concerned with stones. I don't know, different soil types, different, you know, when the glaciers in the Irish Hills area move through. We have a lot of different soils, so this is the one that has the most stones. We saw it when we were plowing and disking. Trees are in here now, you see them in the rows. So we go through with our pickers and our buckets, load them up in a little trailer and a wheelbarrow. Yeah, still rocks, we're still getting rocks. And just walk up and down and try to save the equipment. A little time consuming, but you know, we don't have the rock picker upper with the tractors or the big equipment, so we're doing it all by hand. So yeah, they got a machine for everything. It's crazy. So that's what we're doing. And then you saw us dig out by the barn. That's where we're putting them to protect from stuff digging underneath our barn. So here we go. All right, so as you can see, what started out as just one little small hole is going to become a whole wide, lay some fencing down. What the split rail fence we had here that goes, I don't know, 300 feet, the whole length of the parking lot, used to be chain link, so we have a lot of chain link fence that we are going to put, you know, the width of that down and across to keep the woodchucks from digging underneath our barn. So yeah, really expand the job, but it'll be done. We have quite a bit of rocks in the field, so we'll put the fence down, put the rocks on top of that. It'll be fantastic. So yeah, it's gonna be great. All right, and that does it. So we picked up all the stones out in the field. We dug this all out. We laid our fence down. We used some, was it the U-nails to actually attach it to the bottom sill plate of the barn. Then we laid the stone on top. So if you have ever done this before, let me know in the comments if you've had any success kind of deterring your groundhogs from digging underneath. Hopefully this does it. We did underneath the porch. I think Dad had pretty good success with it. He did it a few years ago, but here's hoping. I'm not going to move any of the dirt back today because that was pretty exhausting. And yeah, maybe we'll take the fence off and we'll use the front end loader to push it back. So on to the next step, which is going to be next job on the farm. We'll be picking pine cones up. So stay tuned for a video on that shortly. So yeah, again, let me know if you've done anything like this, had success, because obviously these things are pretty destructive, shifting stuff around. Obviously we got a lot of equipment in there that they're digging and putting the dirt, onto some spreaders and things like that we have inside the barn. So we don't want that. All right, thanks for watching. Happy spring. Thanks.